The path to financial freedom. Master money, saving, investing, and business. Lecture 5. The 50 by 30/20 rule versus other budgeting methods. Module 2. Mastering money management. When it comes to managing your money, there's no perfect budget, only the one that works for you. Some people like structure, while others prefer flexibility. The key is finding a system that helps you save, invest, and control spending. Today, we'll compare the popular 50 by 30/20 rule with other budgeting methods to help you decide what's best for you. One of the most popular budgeting strategies is the 50 by 30/20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income covers needs, things like rent, food, utilities, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, travel, and hobbies. The final 20% is for savings and investments, your future wealth. This method is simple, easy to follow, and ensures you're saving while still enjoying life. While the 50 by 30/20 rule works for many, there are other ways to manage your money. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a job. You plan expenses down to the last cent, ensuring nothing is wasted. Cash envelope system. Perfect for people who overspend on certain categories. You withdraw cash and divide it into envelopes. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending. Pay yourself first. Before paying any bills, you put a set percentage into savings. This guarantees that you're always saving, no matter what happens. Did you know that most millionaires don't budget in the traditional way? Instead of tracking every dollar, they follow a simple rule. Pay yourself first. This means they prioritize saving and investing before spending on anything else. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." That's why many wealthy individuals automate their investments and savings before touching their money for daily expenses. While the 50 by 30/20 rule is a great start for financial planning, as you grow your wealth, you might find yourself shifting to a save first, spend later mindset, just like the rich do. The best budgeting system is the one you stick to. Consider your income, lifestyle, and financial goals. Some people prefer the simplicity of the 50 by 30/20 rule, while others need strict tracking like zero-based budgeting. Whatever you choose, make sure it aligns with your goals and adjust as needed over time. Now that you know different budgeting methods, it's time to take action. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle. Track your income and expenses regularly. Stay consistent and don't be afraid to adjust as you grow. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about financial freedom and making your money work for you. Start today, and your future self will thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, show some support by hitting like, tapping the bell, and subscribing so you never miss our latest content on financial freedom and wealth growth. Let's grow together. Your one click makes a big impact and helps us create even more for you.